Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. My name is Firdhaus bin Amer Ezrie. My matrix number 09 DKM19F 2027. Okay, so I will introduce my other group members. Um, Muhammad HAZIM HILMI bin MAZLAN and also NADHIRAH ALEYAH binti Muhammad HANIPAH. Okay, so for this project, our supervisor is Puan ZUZILAH binti Haji HARUN, and we are from group DKM04. Okay, so our project is about automatic car jack. Okay, so first of all, we go to abstract. A scissor jack, a scissor jack is a mechanical device to easily lift a vehicle off the ground to gain access to sections underneath the vehicles or to change the wheel. The most important fact of a jack is that it gives the user a mechanical advantage by changing the rotational force on power screw into linear motion, allowing user to lift a heavy car to the required height. This purpose project is to make it useful for users. Okay, so um, from our discussion about problem statement from this project is first of all is lack of scissor jack for car users. Okay, and second, need more energy to lift up. Uh, um, for example, the for the eldest people, they will need more force to lift up um, by using kajak manually. Okay, so for the third one, difficult for older people to use kajak manually. Okay, yes, that is true. Okay, number four, hydraulic system are more expensive. Okay, so the objective of making this project is to design automatic car screw jack with low cost. Okay, okay, so for the scope. Okay, the features. Simple system. Um, it is easily to operate by turn on the control panel. Okay, so what I mean is, um, our project just by turning on the product and only just use one easy push button. So it can automatically operate the machine. Okay, so second, practical design. Easily to store and just using less space in the trunk of the car. So we're making this device with minimalist design, not too big, not too small, and also easily to bring everywhere, and also can store in the car uh, with using less of space. Okay, so the third one, modern system built in. Okay, reduce burden of consumers. So in this product, we were using batteries as our main power supply. So this machine doesn't need any generator or USBs or any kind of power supply to find. So we're using this battery is because it is easily to manage the machine. Okay, so the number four, motor driver. Motor driver we're using direct circuit with 30A. So the maximum is for this motor driver is 30A and using direct circuit. So we're using this motor driver in our project just because we want to prevent from the powering from the our main project getting short circuit and blow off. So we're using this motor driver as our relay. Okay. So I will pass to Muhammad Hazim Hilmi bin Mazlan to continue our presenting. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad HILMI MAZLAN. I'm from DKM05A. My metric number is 09DKM19F 2021. Today I want to present literature review about my project that is automatic car jack. This is a literature review. Seesaw jack inventor. First in 1851, inventor Richard Dudgeon from New York City was granted a patent for a portably hydraulic press. Then second, the hydraulic jack, a jack which proved to be vastly superior to the screw jacks in use at the time. Next, second literature review. On 24th of February in 1920, Jack LaFrance submit his design for a diamond-shaped jack in Montreal, Quebec. Then the second is on 21 December in 1920. Jack LaFrance patent his design. And then the design concept is there is a base and a platform connected by two legs which bend at the knees in opposite directions. Through those knees, the spindle travels to raise or lower the platform, presumably under one's car. So this is my methodology. First we start, then detailed design of automatic jack, then selection of materials and components, then identify and resolving project, then we installing project outline, then defining division and internal project. After that we testing the product. If fail, we go back to identify and resolving project. After the project completely perfect, we go to product testing and then finish. So this is my component of my project. For the first picture, the component used is the power window motor. The power window system is a body electrical system that functions to open and close windows electrically using a switch. This power window system uses a motor as the main driver to lower and raise the window. This power window motor moves when the switch is pressed, and at the time an electrical current will flow to the power window motor. The rotation of this power window motor will be changed by the regulator to an up and down motion to open and close the window. Next, the second picture shows the other tools used, such as rechargeable battery, motor driver, power window, and wire. The function of the motor driver is that the motor driver acts as an interface between the motor and the control circuit. The motor requires a high amount of current while the controller circuit works at a low current signal. So the function of the motor driver is take a low current control signal and then turn it into a higher current signal that can drive the motor. Moreover, all those components are laid out by us in PCE markings. After insert the following components, we arrange the components by wrapping, and we also perform multiply checks to make sure everything is perfect. Lastly, our goal in using PVC is not to break easily. The material is clogged and others. Next, we go to features. We use rechargeable batteries as a power supply for this project. This is able to operate this product everywhere and anytime easier. This also allows for users to keep while using less space. This battery running 12 ampere hours. This specification enough to operate the power windows. Next, we add motor driver in this project to be a circuit or relay in this product. This motor driver can support until 30 ampere and direct circuit. This will prevent the power window from getting short circuit that can caused by the power supply. Last but not least from me, we chose this power window as our main project. This power window currently supports 12 volt. Rate torque is 2.9 Newton meter and 13 kilogram.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NADHIRAH HANIPAH. My metric number 09 DKM04 2025. Okay, and total cost of product number 1, rechargeable battery. Quantity, we using a 2 battery. Price per unit 20 ringgit. Total cost 40. And next, PVC pipe for the cover. We need 1. Price per unit 15 ringgit. Next, power window. We have to use 1 power window. The total cost is 50 ringgit. Wire cable 2. Motor driver 1. Bolt nut screw 1. And the total cost of the product is 151 ringgit. Okay, the length is 26.5 centimeter. The height is 12 centimeter. Width 14 centimeter, and the weight 500 gram. So as you can see, the hook is for hook on the jack side. Turn on, the jack will go up automatically. As we know, every product has a problems, and how to manage the problem. Okay, I will tell you what the current problem and issue and why I made this product. Okay, the first is there is a lack of scissor jack for car user. So application, how we can use this product is the system is very simple to operate by simply pushing on the control panel. What I said before, the hook is hooked on the jack car. So the jack car will grow up automatically. Okay, second, there are several technologies have been developed in solving jack car problems. So how to manage, how to solve it with a compact design. The device can easy to keep in car and easy to use. Like what I said, so it is very difficult to find because at market is using a motor. This is difficult to find because at market is using a motor driver and very expensive and need to shipping. Easy to use, and this product easy to use and handle to jack car with safety. Is limited application, not stable and not easy to keep. And my product, simple device fabrication, low fabrication cost, low operating and maintenance cost. Okay, and this is reference what we got about. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.